back to the days when I could not wait to wake up.
Hey sis, I just want to say that more than being my sister, you've been my best friend and a mother figure to me. No one else can take your place in my life. I love you sis. I wish you tons of happiness on your special day today. Happy birthday!
Hi Ka! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Ingat lagi. I love you.
Hi Kaka! Happy birthday! Laki mo na! Ingat ka palagi! God bless! Hello Kaka! Happy birthday! Sana kahit tayo magkakasama, maging masaya ka. Sana walang kalimutan. Sana maalala mo lagi yung pinagsamahan natin ng high school. At salamat din sa lahat ng mga tinulong mo sa akin. Salamat talaga. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Kaka! Yan. 18 ka na. Dalaga na. Yan. Legal na, kaya huwag mo nang gagawa ng masama. Bawal. Behave lang muna para makatapos tayo.
Game! Kaka, happy birthday! Ano ba? Basta happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ano ba?
Ligayong bati! Lang.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, lagi ka mag-iingat, tapos nandito lang kami para sa'yo, basta huwag ka sana magbabago, ayun lang. Happy birthday, I love you, mahal ka namin, basta nandito lang kami.
Happy birthday, Kaka. Sorry kung di ako makapunta ng debo mo. Mahal kasi yung ticket from Cardona to Taytay. Parang kailan lang, nung elementary pa lang tayo, diba? 8 years ago ba yun? 8 years? 8 years na. Maraming nabubuong love team nun, PBB teams, ganun. Pero, alam mo naman, diba, ikaw yung first crush ko nun. Bait-bait mo kasi noon, tapos ang talino pa. Ayun, sinipag ako mag-aral, gawa mo. Ayun. Tapos, namimiss ko na yung, banding natin ni na Carcel. Siyempre, nasa ibang bansa. Paano makakabanding? Ayun, miss ko na yung times na, nagpapangusi every Friday. 18 ka na. Anong plano mo? Joke lang. Sana, ma-handle mo yung lahat ng responsibilidad. Huwag ka na maging pasaway. Lagi ka na papagalitan. Tapos, ayun, wish you all the best. May nagpapabati nga pala sa'yo. Happy birthday, Kaka. By the way, may banat ka pala ako sa'yo, ha. Wag mo seryosohin. Si Kaka ka ba? Kasi, I will marry Kathleen Janicio Principe. Sige, yun lang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Maxing! Chup-chup!
Hi, dude! First of all, happy 18th birthday sa'yo. I hope you're happy tonight. Feel pretty, ha? Kasi this is your big day. Syempre, masasabi ko lang is, thank you for everything that you've done through all these years. Grabe, tagal na natin magkaibigan. It's been 11 years, simulan nakalala kita. Binila ko yun. Syempre, thankful ako and also blessed kasi kayo ni sis yung binigay sa akin na best friend ni God. And lagi mong tatandaan na I love you so much from the bottom of my heart and I'm always here for you. At lagi kang mag-iingat kasi love ka namin. Yun lang. Happy birthday, dude.
Always last, we're going over, but we're all soldiers tonight.
Okay. Hi, best friend. I miss you so much, and I'm really happy for you. You're 18 now, and I'm actually sad at the same time because I'm not there. I hope you guys are having a good time though. I don't even know what to wish for right now because you've got everything. The friends, the family. It's my brother's phone. But yeah, I wish I was there. And hi everybody, I know you're watching this. Yeah, just have a good time tonight. You're 18 and I hope God will bless you with more things, more opportunities. And the rest, I'm speechless. I'm just happy for you. And you know, you're a very really blessed person. Share your blessings with others, especially with your family. Like, God will provide you with everything. You know that. And just always pray. And even though we don't talk like that anymore because we're both busy with school, I'm still here for you. You're my best friend since like what, 3rd grade? No one can ever replace you guys. And yeah, just be good. Pakabait ka kay tita. Yeah, that's it. I love you. Bye.
Hi Kathleen, happy birthday. May kanta ako para sa'yo. Yun na yung regalo ko. Okay? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay na yun. Ano? Okay. Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Hello there, Father! Happy birthday, Kaka! And I wish more birthdays to come. Sana hindi ka na magbago. And ang tanda mo na. Mas una ka nagdibo sa amin. Anyways, here's a song for you. Pagpasadyahan mo ng boss ko, pangkahing ng manok. Okay. Sometimes you think you'll be fine by yourself, 'cause the dream is free, so you make all alone. It's easy to feel like you don't need help. It's harder to walk on your own. You'll change inside when you realize the world comes around and everything's alright from beginning to end. When you have a friend by your side that helps you to find the beauty you are when you open your heart and believe it. Get a friend. Get a friend. Someone who knows when you're lost and scared. There through the highs and the lows. Someone to count on, someone who cares, beside you wherever you go. You'll change inside when you realize the world comes around and everything's right from beginning to end. When you have friends by your side that helps you to find the beauty of all when you open your heart and believe it. Get a friend. And when your hope crashes down, shattering through the ground, you feel all alone. When you don't know which way to go, there's a sign leading you home. ups and downs, and everything's the way from beginning to end. When you have a friend by your side.